want to grab your little skewer sticks and like separate the tentacles.
Wait, what?
See if you can figure out how many tentacles and how many arms a squid has.
Arms and
looking for.
Yeah, there we go. So yes, on your guys' worksheet, you can fill out your sections, right? Okay, so it moves via something called jet propulsion, which basically means it's just pushing water in the direction it wants to go the opposite way. So pretty much in this mantle, right, it like sucks up a ton of water, and then it seals the mantle off and can only let water out of the siphon, which is this right here. We'll do this. Let's look at this for 1 second. Which way do you think the squid's gonna go?
Backwards.
Backwards. Forward. So which way? Like, do you think it's gonna go towards me based off of this orientation, or towards it? Yeah, it's gonna go towards me, right? That's kind of counterintuitive. Run this way, like where your eyes are. Run that way, or would you be like, oh, dinosaur, scary? I'm gonna run like this. Squids don't do that. So it's
Their
really.
eyes are on their sides, they just be going like this.
Well, their eyes are closer to here, right? So when predators look at a squid, they're just like, oh, their eyes are up here. They're probably gonna move that way, and then they move the other way. That's one of the ways they outsmart their predators. Isn't that really cool? Called the chromatophores, right? So you can write that on the other one that's pointing to the body, right here, right? And so pretty much how a squid camouflages is by making those chromatophores bigger or smaller. Get to it. But either way, pull out your beak. Yeah. Yeah, just get your hands ready. Right in here.
Hey, bro.
See how there's a part?
Whoa!
Pull that out.
I never know you can do like that.
I didn't ruin it.
You didn't ruin it. I'm very proud.